Hello everyone, welcome to Students Homeopathy, and let's learn together. Today, we will discuss Aphorism 5 from the Organon of Medicine, authored by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. This aphorism, along with its footnote, emphasizes the importance of identifying the root causes of diseases, both acute and chronic, by focusing on individualization and thorough investigation. Let's begin by reading Aphorism 5. Useful to the physician in assisting him to cure are the particulars of the most probable exciting cause of the acute disease, as also the most significant points in the whole history of the chronic disease, to enable him to discover its fundamental cause, which is generally due to a chronic miasm. In these investigations, the ascertainable physical constitution of the patient, especially when the disease is chronic, his moral and intellectual character, his occupation, mode of living and habits, his social and domestic relations, his age, sexual function, etc., are to be taken into consideration. Now let's read the insightful footnote attached to this aphorism. It is only thus that the investigation of all the causes of chronic diseases is carried out by those who deserve the title of a true physician, and who see in it the fulfillment of their highest calling. For in every chronic disease, the important duty of the physician is to seek the exciting or fundamental cause, be it an injurious mode of living, a habitual indulgence, or the result of some miasm, or if it is due to an outbreak of a latent inherited miasm, the signs of which appear more distinctly after the first soric eruption. Breaking down Aphorism 5 and its footnote. Let's simplify and analyze this aphorism along with its footnote in key points. 1. Acute diseases and exciting causes. For acute diseases, identifying the triggering factor or exciting cause is critical. 2. Chronic diseases and fundamental causes. Chronic ailments require a deep dive into the entire disease history to understand their root causes. 3. Chronic miasms. Chronic diseases often stem from inherited or acquired miasms, such as sora, psychosis, or syphilis. 4. Physical constitution. Observing the patient's physical makeup can provide vital clues about their disease tendencies. 5. Mental and emotional state. The moral and intellectual character of the patient influences their predisposition to certain diseases. 6. Lifestyle factors. Details like habits, mode of living, and occupation are significant contributors to disease. 7. Social and domestic life. The patient's environment, relationships, and emotional stressors are essential to understanding the root causes. 8. Individualization in treatment. Every patient's case is unique, requiring individualized care for effective healing. 9. Signs of latent miasms. Chronic diseases may reveal themselves gradually through early signs, often tied to latent miasms. 10. Physician's duty. It is the physician's highest calling to investigate and address all these factors for true and lasting cures. Relevance of Aphorism 5. Aphorism 5 emphasizes the art of individualization in homeopathy. It reminds us that true healing requires understanding the patient holistically, physically, mentally, and emotionally, while also addressing the underlying causes of their disease. Let's conclude with 10 important points to take home from Aphorism 5 and its footnote. 1. Acute diseases often have clear triggers, which must be identified and addressed. 2. Chronic diseases require a detailed investigation into their history and progression. 3. Chronic miasms like sora, syphilis, and psychosis are the root causes of most chronic illnesses. 4. A patient's physical constitution gives valuable clues about their health. 5. Emotional and mental states significantly impact disease predisposition and progression. 6. Lifestyle, habits, and occupation play a major role in developing and maintaining diseases. 7. The social and domestic environment should always be considered during case-taking. 8. Individualized treatment is the cornerstone of homeopathy. Every case is unique. 9. Signs of latent miasms often manifest subtly and must not be overlooked. 10. A true physician fulfills their duty by uncovering and addressing the root causes of diseases. So, that's all for Aphorism 5 and its footnote from the Organon of Medicine. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Students Homeopathy. Click the bell icon and select All so you don't miss our informative videos on homeopathy. Feel free to share your feedback in the comments. We're always happy to answer your queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.